we've gone into companies and seen how things have changed over the last 15 years within South Africa. And the environment used to be very much lock everything down, make sure people don't have access to things. And it's been totally turned on its head right now, where now we're giving people access to everything. And people not only using their computers supplied by companies, they're actually bringing their own tablets, their own laptops, and we now have to integrate that into existing infrastructure. And our most significant trend that's affected our clients has been a significant drop in the cost of bandwidth prices and also all the hardware that's required to access it. Small business and medium-sized businesses can now enter into the realm that was previously only for corporates that had big budgets could enter into that space. Now it's accessible to the smaller players in the marketplace, and it enables them to start working with software as a service, so your CRMs, your accounting packages, multiple services that are all online that you pay on a month-to-month basis are now all accessible. We're very pleased that we now take clients along this digital journey by offering them the full suite of services. So not only do we provide uncapped connectivity to our clients, we provide them the suite of Google Apps for work, for businesses. There's also the Google Apps for education, for schools and non-profit institutions that we look after. We do clients' digital marketing for them, and that's everything from brand management to making sure you're properly found on social media feeds, people's reputation out there on the internet, to doing bespoke developments where certain clients need it more tightly wrapped with integrating with other systems. We wrap that all together for our clients.
We heard about what the Cloud Group is doing with Google and where we can host our data online, and everything's backed up and everything is accessible, and there's just that freedom to be able to access your data from wherever you want to. For me, it was a no-brainer.
Main reason for choosing Google for Work, Google Apps, is the collaboration between Salesforce and our email.
We needed somebody like Cloud Group to come and assist us to ensure that when we do move over, that it will be as smooth and as seamlessly as we can get that.
The Cloud Group helped with, that adoption, smoothing out the rough patches, making sure that the staff had a positive attitude towards it.
And we found that the Cloud Group has really helped us a lot to make sure that we can implement it seamlessly and understand what are the tools that we can use to enhance our business.
Cloud Group is brilliant. They did not only help us in moving over, but the explanation, the time and the trouble that they took to make everybody understand what they need to do. They came out to site to help our engineers, and they spent time. That to me was really something special.
What the Cloud Group is basically doing for me is they're promoting on all sorts of social media like Facebook, YouTube, to get my product out there, so more and more people will be able to see what our product is all about.
The ease with which you're able to implement it and the flexibility in the way that you can use things is a complete game changer when it comes to business.
The Cloud Group is very proud to be Google's premier partner in South Africa, because the Google team constantly innovates. They keep on changing things for the better, always looking at ways of improving things, and we then in turn take that to our clients to show them new ways of doing things and how to improve their businesses and make them more efficient and profitable.
We've really benefited from a cost-saving perspective by using Google and the all-encompassing solution that they provide.
I'm proud to actually say that the Cloud Group has put me up on the #1 spot, and I'm on the natural search, and that's what they're doing for me.
Google Apps, we simply can't break it. To us, it was very important that we have stability. And in our line of work, you get engineers that likes to break something. That's part of their work. And we simply can't break Google Apps.
I don't know what email is going to look like in 5 years' time, collaboration, internet search engines, everything, but I can tell you Google is going to be there.